Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you are well. Dear friends, you all know that at present Facebook is one of the social communication medias. You can make communication easier by creating pages on Facebook. Besides, by creating this page, you can create a field to earn money. In this video, I am going to show you how can you easily create a Facebook business page step by step by PC or laptop. So watch the video to the end. I believe that after watching the video, you can create a Facebook page properly. So my dear friends, before starting the main topic, I request you to subscribe my channel, please. Let's get started. First of all, log in your Facebook account from where you can create a page. Now go to the middle top of the page. Then you will see there is a create option beside home. Now click on create option. Then you will see some options. From here click on page. Now I have clicked on page. After that you will see two options. One is business or brand and other is community or public figure. Now under the business or brand you will see get started. Now click on get started. Then you will see another option. Now you will have to write the name of your page in this box as you decided before. Now see, I am writing a name of my business page such as DKM store. Later you will have to click on category box. Now in the category box write the name of your page store and see under it more options. From here select anyone that is related with your business. Now I have clicked on clothing store. Next you will have to write address. Now I am writing of my address. Next you will have to write the name of your city. From here you will have to select your city. Now I have clicked on Khulna. Now go to the right side, then you will see zip code. Now in the box write the zip code. Now Under it you will have to write the phone number. Under it you will see a blank white box. If you don't show your address, you will have to click on the box. Now I have clicked on the box. At last you will have to click on continue. Now I have clicked on continue. Now wait for few seconds. After that you will see a page. From here, if you want to upload a profile picture, click on this option. Now I have clicked on it. Next you will see such a box. From here, go to your computer folder and select your profile picture that is related with your business, and at last click on open. Dear friends, I don't have business related picture, so I just uploading my own picture to show you. Now see, here is no picture uploaded. If you want to skip it, you will have to click on skip. Next, after a few seconds, it will be opened. Now see, your page has been created. Now if you want to upload, add a cover photo, click on this option. Now I have clicked on this option. Then you will see more options. From here you will have to click on upload photo or video. Now I have clicked on upload photo. Then you will see search this box. From here you will have to click on that you need. Now drag to reposition. And at last click on save option. Now see, your cover photo has been changed. Now click on edit page info. Now I have clicked on this option. Then you will see more options. Now go down slowly and see there is a description box. In this box, write something about your business. Now I am writing description about my business. After writing, click on Save Changes. Now I have clicked on Save Changes. Now go down slowly and see there is a additional information. Click in this box. In this box you can write something about your business within 10,000 characters. After writing, you will have to click on Save Changes. Next, go down slowly. Then you will see website. At the right side in the box, you will have to write the name of your website if you have any website. If you don't have any website, click on this option. My page doesn't have a website. After that, you will have to click on Save Changes. Next, go to the email box. In the box, write your email address. After writing, you will have to click on Save Changes. Now go down slowly and see there is a map. Now drag the map to reposition and at last click on Save Changes. Now I am doing the thing. Now go to the service area and in the box write your service area. And at last click on Save Changes. Now select hours. I have clicked on Always Open. Otherwise select time. And fixed your time and day. And at last click on Save Changes. In this way, you will have to go to the bottom of the page and fill in the boxes properly. Now go back on page. Now go to the right side and you will see Add button. Click on this option. Then you will see more options. From here click on Contact You. From here you will see more options. From here, click on send message. Then it will be created. Now go to the right side corner bottom of the page and you will see next option. Now click on this option. Now you will have to click on messenger option. Next you will have to click on finish. Dear friends, now see, here is no follower or like. Now you can invite your friends from your Facebook. Now I am inviting some friends. If they accept my invitation, they will be follower. Dear friends, if you want to change more things, you will have to click on 3 dots. Now I have clicked on 3 dots. Then you will see more options. From here you can select anything and change your necessary thing as you need of your page. Dear friends, if you want to update a logo of your business page, click on this option. Then you will see more options. From here you will have to click on upload photo. Now I have clicked on upload photo. Then you will see search a box. From here you will have to select on and at last click on open. In this way you can update your page's logo. Now I have clicked on cancel. Dear friends, you may see here create page username box. If you see here create page username box, then you will have to write the username as you like best. Next you will have to click on create username. At last you will have to click on OK. Then you will see your user name will be added in the address bar from here. Now click on see more option. Then you will see more options. From here click on about option. Then you will see more option. Now go down and see there is a create page user name. Now click on create page username. Then you will see a box. In this box you will have to write the username of your business page. After writing the username you will have to click on create username. Then it will be created. Now I have closed it and go back on page. Dear friends, if you want to post any topic, click on write create post. then you will get an option of create post. From here you can post anything of your business, such as picture, video, audio, etc. Now click on this option and write something about your post. And at last click on post. Then it will be uploaded. Now see, it has been uploaded. In this way you can create a business page properly. If there are any options left, you can fix them later. Now you can log out. So, my dear friends, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again.